Hello future doctors, I am Atharva, a third year MBBS student, and today we'll be discussing how to score 360 marks out of 360 in your biology section of NEET. I know it seems too much ambitious, but I can assure you that it's not impossible. So let's dive in first. The question paper for the biology section will be having 90 questions of 360 marks, and all of them will be from NCERT. It is hardly seen that the question is out of NCERT, so I will suggest you must be focusing on your NCERT. So let's dive into the 5-step plan to score a perfect score of 360 marks from your biology section. First, you should be mastering the NCERT like a topper. So how can you do that? First thing you should be doing is give 3 readings to the NCERT. The first reading is for understanding the chapter, second is to understand the important points, and third is for the active recall. These 3 things will be important while you study. The second thing you should be doing is highlighting the tricky keywords, that is those keywords that will be more oftenly seen in your question papers, like the semi-conservative replication seen in genetics, also plasmolysis and all other words that are important for your exam. Third thing while reading NCERT you should be doing is underline all the examples that are given under each section of the chapter. Most of the questions come directly from these examples, so don't forget to underline them and memorize them. The second step that you should be following to score 360 on 360 is master all the diagrams, all the flowcharts in the NCERT which are needed by each one of you. So how can you memorize all of them? Revise the diagrams daily. So how can you do that? To revise diagrams daily, you should be labeling the diagrams without looking at them in your books. The labels should be memorized by you. Second thing that you should be focusing on the chapters like ecology, physiology and genetics, where most of the flowcharts are present, and you should not be neglecting those flowcharts. Cut out those flowcharts or make a Xerox copy and paste it in your room. That will be helpful to recall them easily and will be in front of you each time you wake up. The third thing you should be doing is solving NCERT based question. That can be from the NCERT, from any coaching module or any question paper that is based on NCERT. You can prefer any book that you feel is easy for you to solve and covers all the aspects of a chapter. Second thing, while doing this, you should be focusing on a method that is elimination method. Most of the options in the question are unnecessary and are of hindrance. So try to eliminate those options and go for the correct answer. And third thing, while doing this, you should be making an error log. Make a notebook and note all those questions that you got wrong while solving those questions. This will help you to recognize your weak topics and help you to study harder and focus on those topics. Fourth thing is that to revise using flashcards and mnemonics. Making revisions funny and interesting is a key aspect of revision during the last 3 months of your exam. So how can you do that? For example, making mnemonic like King Philip came over for a good soup, for the taxonomic hierarchy, that is kingdom, phylum, class, order, family and genus and species. Create flashcards for difficult definition and one-liners. And third thing, while revision you should be doing, I know it's a difficult thing, but to teach someone, that could be yourself while standing in front of a mirror. When you teach someone a concept, that will be revised by you twice or thrice while making them understand the concept properly by teaching them. The last step to score a perfect 360 marks in your biology section is to practice previous year questions from the NEET. Practice all the questions of biology section from the last 10 years. This will help you to recognize the pattern. It is the key important thing you should be focusing on. The second thing you should be doing while giving these previous year question is give a full length mock test every week. The third thing you should be doing while solving these previous year question is analyze your mistakes. These are the key things that will help you recognize your weak chapters and your strong chapters. That's it for today. We'll meet in the next video, and if you found this video helpful and if you want more such NEET strategies, comment 360 and I'll make another video on the NEET strategies and the most requested topic from you guys. See you in the next video. you.